So next concept is operations on sets. So operations on sets mainly we have union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets. We have to know here. So what is the union of sets? A and B are any two sets, and their union is denoted by, say, this symbol U. Okay, like U. So this A union B is a set of all elements which belongs to either A or B or both the sets A and B. For example, A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, B equal to set of 3, 4, 5. Then the A union is A union B. It is the set of all elements which are belongs to either A or B or both. So that means we have to combine the both sets elements. 1, 2, 3. Next here 3 already came. One time only enough. So 4, 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the union of the sets A and B. Okay. So that's why A union B can be read X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B or X belongs to both A and B. Okay, this is the set builder form of A union B. So these sets can be represented in Venn diagrams also. So when you write like that, A, B are the two sets. Union means total. When you share, this is the union of the two sets. Okay. Next, intersection of the sets. The intersection of the two sets is denoted by A. The symbol of intersection is this is reverse of union. A intersection B. And it is defined as the set of all elements common to A and B. So that is called a intersection of the sets. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3, 4, 5. Then in both sets, which is the common element? 3. So that's why their intersection is 3. A intersection B equal to 3, the common part. So in Venn diagram also you can write A, B are the two sets. Where they are intersecting, that part is called a intersection of that two sets. Okay. So that's why A intersection B can be written as X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. And mean common, R mean union, keep in mind. Next one is difference of sets. You know, right, difference of any two numbers mean you can denote it by minus symbol, right? So difference of 2 and 3, so 3 minus 2 like that, you can write 2 minus 3 like that. So here is also difference of two sets A and B denoted by A minus B or B minus A. So A minus B means it is a set, A minus B is the set of all elements which are belongs to A but not B. That means how we can write X such that X belongs to A but not X belongs to B. That you can write X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. This is the A minus B. For example, see, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 4, 5. What is the A minus B? Write set A minus set B. A minus B means from set A, remove the set B elements. These are the elements of the set A. From this one, you have to remove the elements of B. 1 is not element of set B, so don't remove. 2 is a element of set B, that's why remove that one. 3 is not element of set B, that's why don't remove. So that's why what are the left one? the left part of A is called A minus B. Don't think about B. Only in A, how many elements are left? That left part set is called a difference of the two sets A minus B. Same way, you can write B minus A. Similarly, you can say that B minus A means from set B, remove the elements of A. That means X is a set, it is having element of B but not element of A. So clearly, from the last example, we can say that. So B minus A means write first set B minus set A. So from B you have to remove the set of A elements. 3 is element, so remove. 4 is not element. 5 is not element. So what is the left part here? First set 4, 5. Don't think about the second set here. Only first set 4, 5. So that's why B minus A is the difference of the sets B and A. So clearly from the last two example and this one, A minus B value and B minus A value are not equal. Why? They don't have common elements. The sets which doesn't have any common element are called disjoint sets. So whose intersection is a null set? They don't have a common element. If they have a common element, the intersection is not a null set. So that's why whose intersection is a null set. So that sets are called disjoint sets. They will not join. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 4, 5, 6. Clearly here, the elements A, the sets A and B doesn't have any common element. That's why their intersection is a null set. So whose intersection is a null set? That sets are called disjoint. They will not join. This is the Venn diagram of the disjoint sets. Okay. So that's why number of elements of disjoint sets, that time n of A intersection B is 0. Why? N of A intersection B is a pi. So n of A intersection B is a pi. Number of elements of A intersection B means 0. N of A intersection B is 0. Is it clear now?